Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, I'll be working with WigFever. I have worked with this company before, but I think this is probably like our second or third, more than likely second collaboration together, and they went ahead and sent me their wig unit from their Wear&Go line. So if you know anything about this line, you know it's pretty much all glueless wig units. You don't have to be super advanced or anything to put a wig on from their Wear&Go line. So it comes pre-plucked, pre-parted, pre-bleached. So literally you get to do no hard work, hard labor where wigs are concerned. So if you are new to wigs and you're just trying or starting to wear wigs, this is perfect. The WigFever company sent me their 4x7 HD lace closure wig unit in the silky straight texture, and it came in the bleached knots setting. So you can adjust this wig to however you like it. I have 24 inches and I'm also wearing 180 density right now, and honestly this unit is gorgeous. I'm living for the silkiness of this hair. The luster and the shine is giving off jet black, but this is a natural 1B. So if you also don't want to dye your wig jet black, this is perfect. Don't forget to go ahead and click the links in the description box if you'd like to purchase off rip, which I would highly recommend. And I speak more about this unit in the end of the video, so if you'd like to see how I did this quick and easy glueless tutorial, just keep on watching. So we are back with today's install, and I'm loving this hair off the rib. You can see it's very nice and silky, and it is a part of the title of the wig unit that they sent me. And they sent me the Wear&Go Silky Straight 180 density glueless HD lace closure wig unit. It is a 4x7 lace closure, so it's 7 inches of width and 4 inches of length. And I was like, wait, why does this look like a small closure but wide at the same time? So that's the reason why. So you know, usually it would be 5x5 or 4x4, even 6x6, but in this case it is a 7x4, just to give you a versatility aspect. So if you want to do a side part, that is possible. But as the title suggests, the hair is super silky, and you can literally see that. And it's definitely 180 density. This is what I would expect a 180 density unit to look like, and so far so good. I'm not having any problems with matting, tangling, or shedding. Shedding is definitely at a minimum. I'm looking down right now and I'm not seeing too many shed hairs on the floor, or enough. So that is also a good factor to factor in when purchasing this unit. And it is super beginner friendly, because when I tell you, I didn't do anything for this wig to be glueless other than to tighten the back. So what happens is the band in the back allows you to go ahead and tighten it to fit your head, and that way it's super snug. And then it is also really nice and flat in the back. This cap is super stretchy, and it is pretty much like, you know, when you wear a spandex dress and it's already just like so small, but then once you put it on, it just adjusts to your head size. That is what this wig is like. So it doesn't feel tight or too loose. It's absolutely perfect, like the perfect mixture. And honestly, I'm having no problems. So far so good. And it was super easy to install. This install didn't take me more than 15 minutes or 20 minutes collectively to put the wig unit on. It came pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-parted, so you know, I didn't have to do too much. So in the aspect of it being beginner friendly, it works very well for someone who is advanced or beginner. So if you'd like to get your hands on this gorgeous unit from WigFever, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check it out, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.